हेलो गाइस, आपके अपने फेवरेट चैनल आयंस एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो और साथ ही हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें।
Good morning students. How are you all? I am in pink of my health and hope the same for you all. Pink of my health means in good health. I am in good health and hope the same for you all. Okay, dear students, today we will be studying to write an essay. Do you know what is an essay? In your previous class, you have written essays on different topics like my teacher, my family, my mother, my best friend, my school and so on. Many essays you have written. So children, do you know what is an essay? Did you know the word essay is derived from a Latin word exagium, which roughly translates to presenting one's case. So, what does it mean? It means that essays are a short piece of writing representing one side of argument or one's experiences, stories, etc. Essays are very personalized. So now, let us learn about types of essays, format and tips for essay writing. An essay is generally a short piece of writing outlining the writer's perspective or story. It is often considered synonymous with a story or a paper or an article. There are broadly 4 types of essays. The type of essay will depend on what the writer wants to convey to his reader. Now, there is no rigid format of an essay. It is a creative process, so it should not be confined within boundaries. However, there is a basic structure that is generally followed while writing essays. So, let us take a look at the general structure of an essay. See, general structure of an essay. Normally, an essay is divided into 3 parts: introduction, body, conclusion. Introduction, the first part is introduction. This is the first paragraph of your essay. This is where the writer introduces his topic for the very first time. Generally, it is not very long, about 4 to 6 lines. Next part is body. This is the main part of your essay. So, the most important content of the essays will be here. This need not be confined to one paragraph. It can extend to 2 or more paragraphs according to the content. Usually, we have a lot of information to provide in the body. And the third part is conclusion. This is the last paragraph of the essay. You end your essay with the conclusion. Understood the general structure of an essay? So now let's proceed further. Today we are going to write an essay on the topic rainy season. Now I will tell you how to write an essay. For writing an essay, you have to find questions related to the topic and the answers to these questions will be your essay. So now let us take a look at some of the questions here which will help us in writing an essay on rainy seasons. Not seasons, season, rainy season. See, I have written here some of the questions. See, how many seasons are there in our country? How many seasons are there? There are three seasons in our country. Which are they? They are rainy, winter and summer. What is the duration of rainy season? Rainy season lasts from June till September. What is the rainy season called? Rainy season is also called as monsoon. How do children enjoy in the rainy season? Yes, children enjoy by sailing paper boats, enjoying in waterfall. Yes. Then how does nature looks during rainy season? The nature looks very beautiful in rainy season. Okay children, now we have studied how to write an essay. Now see, this is your essay notebook. You have to maintain a separate notebook for writing essays. Your notebook will be, this is your notebook. For writing essays, you will maintain a separate notebook. You will not write in English notebook. Essay book will be separate. Now see children, when you write essays, you write on right hand side page. On this page you will be writing your essays. You will not be writing on left side page. Left side page will be left blank. When you finish writing on this page, you will not write back on this page, but you will write here. All essays will be written on right side page only. You will not be writing on left side page. Okay children, now see how to write the essay. Essay number 1, the rainy season. See, when you begin the essay, first you have to make a paragraph. For making paragraph, you have to leave 2 finger or 3 finger space. Yes, why? Because to make a paragraph, you begin an essay with a paragraph. So you have to leave 2 to 3 finger space. And then you will begin writing the essay. See, I'll read the essay. There are 3 seasons in our country. They are rainy, winter and summer. Rainy season starts from June and lasts till September. The rainy season, okay listen now, here the paragraph gets completed. So when you finish one paragraph, you will leave one line. You will leave one line, and when you begin the second paragraph, again you will leave 2 to 3 finger space. Where you had begun the first paragraph, the same way down, in the same line itself you will start the second paragraph. Okay. The rainy season is also called as monsoon. It is an enjoyable season. Children play in the rainwater. They float paper boats. We all use umbrellas and raincoats during monsoon. Again here the paragraph gets completed. So leave one line. And now third paragraph. Again for beginning the next paragraph you will leave 2 to 3 finger space, and here same line. Same line where you begin the paragraph, in the same line you will start this paragraph also. During monsoon, nature looks very beautiful and pleasant. We find greenery and waterfall everywhere. Rivers, dams, wells and ponds are full of water. Sometimes we see the rainbow in the sky. Again, the paragraph gets complete here. Leave one line and then last part, that is conclusion. Again you will leave your 2 to 3 finger space, and in same line where you are making paragraph, same line you will be writing. The rainy season is the most important season in India. I like and enjoy it. See, this part was your introduction, this was the body part, and then this paragraph is the conclusion of your essay. Okay, now students, did you understand how to write an essay? Now how I have told you, in the same way you will be writing in your essay notebook. And if you have any queries, if you don't understand anything, you can clear your doubts by asking me personally. Okay children? Thank you.